guys, welcome back to another video of AmLeo Infoss. So today we're gonna unbox a new smartphone that we have recently ordered, which is Infinix Hot 12. So we have ordered it in from Diwali sale from flipkart.com. Let's cut open this package. We can see that there is a green color of smartphone box inside the package. Let's get out of that package. Yes, it's written over Hot 12, an Infinix logo on the box. There's a lamination of the box. The highlighter feature of this phone is it's having a 50 megapixels of camera, and the price we have ordered this smartphone is 8,300 rupees. Let's get this lamination out. We can see that there's a smartphone placed on the top of the box. It's having a beautiful purple color and a lamination on the handset. Let's get this lamination removed from the headset. And I think while unboxing and removing the lamination, I put the power key button and it's starting to reboot. There's a X logo with XOS written over the screen. That means it's having a XOS UI. It's based on Android 12 version. Let's see what else company have provided with this box. We can see that there is a $1 of bill which is written over social club. There is some kind of social club invitation card inside the box. It's a very beautiful invitation card. So the another thing is the cover of the smartphone. They have provided a transparent silicone cover for the smartphone. It's very flexible in nature. Let's set into our handset. You can see that it's clearly get installed, very perfectly designed back cover. We will later on set up our device. Let's get into the charger of the smartphone. They have provided a 5-volt 2 ampere charger with the ordinary mini USB cable. At the end we can see that they have provided a SIM ejector tool that's ordinary. So that's all about today. We have unboxed a new smartphone of Infinix Hot 12. We will meet in the next video. Till then, peace.